Hi friends, and welcome to Tiny Technical Tutorials, where we do bite-sized lessons for today's tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform your boring bullet point slides into something more interesting and impactful, like the 3 green slides on the right here. Bullet points are so 1990s. They're boring and can put your reader to sleep. We can do better. In the next few minutes, we're going to take a slide like this with just simple bullet points and see 3 different ways to improve it while keeping the same information. Here in PowerPoint, I'm going to add a new slide. You'll see that I've got a very basic theme going on here. I just created a new blank presentation in PowerPoint, so I don't have any fancy master slides or layouts or anything like that. If you're working with a template from your company or school or what have you, feel free to adjust to their colors and fonts and so forth. But I'm going to choose a title-only slide. And I'll just grab the title from our other slide, drop that in here, and we'll center it. Then let's give it a little bit of structure. I'll insert a shape, grab the rectangle, and we'll drop it down here on the lower half of the slide. For shape fill, I'm just going to go with a standard color, this green. You can choose a different color if you prefer, and no outline. Now we have 4 pieces of information that we want to display. For this first slide, I'm actually going to use some images to do that. I've downloaded some images from Pixabay and Pexels. Let me just grab those. And I'll drop them all on the slide. We'll resize them in just a second. So we've got meditate here, we've got journal, exercise, and over here, waking up early. So we'll just align these roughly here. And then I want to crop them to circles. So up here under crop, crop to shape. Choose oval, but because they're the same height and width, that'll make them into circles. Perfect. Now I'll adjust these just a little bit, kind of eyeball them to get them where I want them. And then a really handy trick in PowerPoint is if you select them all, you can come up to align and distribute horizontally. So everything's got the same space in between it, which is nice. Next we want to drop some text under each image, so we'll insert text box. This one will be wake up early. I'll center this. We'll leave it size 18, but we'll make it white to make it pop a little bit more. And then I'll center that under the image here. And then do some copy pastes, exercise, and then I'll fill in the other 2 and be right back. Okay, there you go. There's one design idea to transform your bullet point list. Let's do another one. I'll duplicate this slide. We'll keep the title, but I'll get rid of everything else here. And for this one, we're going to use some shapes. I'll come up to Insert, Rectangle. I'll just drop one right here, roughly where I want it. For this, we'll use the same green color that we had before with no outline. And then I'll adjust the height and width. We'll go with 1 inch high and 1.25 wide. Then we're going to use numbers for these bullets. I'll put in a 1. And for size on this, we'll make it 60. And right align. Perfect. Now we'll copy this down so that we have 4. Update our numbers. There we go. Over on the right, we're going to stick with rectangles as well, so I'll just copy this and we'll update it. Keep the spacing consistent there. And drag it over, kind of eyeball that. For this one, wake up early. We're going to make this a little bit smaller though, size 32 font, and this one will left align. And just to add a little bit of contrast, we'll make this a slightly darker green up here, the accent color. And then copy this down. I'll update all the text here and be right back. Okay, looking good. I do want just a little bit more of a left margin on these though, so I'll select them, right-click, Format Object, and here under Text Options, we'll choose the text box. And for left margin, I'll bump that over just a little bit. Feels like it can breathe just a little bit better now. There we go. So that's the second design or way that you could display your bullet points. And then we'll do one more. I'm going to duplicate this slide, We'll keep the title and we'll keep that left rectangle for now. I do want to drop one more shape in here though, so let's insert a rectangle over here on the far left. I'll just go to this second dashed line right here in my grid. We'll go with the green color again, no outline, keeping this a flat design. And then I want to take one of these rectangles, and we're going to kind of reuse this here. Get the title scoot over just a little bit. And this one we're going to drop here. I want to give this a white fill though, so it stands out. And this one we're going to give it an outline of the green with a weight of 3. And right-clicking on that will bring it to front, so it pops out here. Perfect. All right, we'll do this same as the others with 4 different rectangles for our 4 bullets. And inside of those rectangles I want to drop some icons. I'll grab these 4 icons here, we'll drop them on the slide. We'll select all of them and make them 0.75 inches high and wide. And then we'll drop them into the respective rectangles. So this one was for meditate, this one was exercise, and just centering those. This was journal, and finally wake up early. We're almost there. Now we just need to add the text, so we'll insert a text box. I'll kind of eyeball this one here, wake up early. We'll increase that font a little bit, call it 28, and center this here with the rectangle. I'll copy and update this text and be right back. Okay, there's a third design you can use to display your bullet points. And there you have it. That's how to transform your boring bullet points into something more visually interesting and engaging. If you found this content valuable, we always appreciate the likes, subscribes, and shares.